people, welcome back, City Hunters. I know, it's been a while since I've vlogged something. So I've just been busy with some personal things. But now I'm back with a new series, new videos, and I'll be trying to upload more regularly. So anyway, today's plan is we're going to visit Germany. It's I think second day of Christmas. Yes, it is. It's Boxing Day, and today we're heading off to Germany. The plan is to go to Cochem first today. That's valley in Germany, of course, and from there on we'll move on to Frankfurt. So Cochem will be the first stop, and after that we'll see what happens. Just exploring Cochem today. Yes, catch you later. Ciao, peace. Yes, people. So I forgot one thing to mention. Of course, we, as you know, I live in Amsterdam. Well, if you don't know, then you know that I do live in Amsterdam. And from Amsterdam to Cochem, it's about 4 hours drive, I think. Yes, it should be around 4 hours. Just depends on how the traffic is, of course. So yes, gonna catch you later on, and let's ride. Peace. Ciao. Yo, yes, so we finally reached Koblenz. Well, no, fuck, it's not Koblenz, it's Cochem. Yes, we're right now in Cochem, and I must admit to you guys, the road to here was amazing. I've taken some shots with my GoPro, so hopefully you've seen those roads. It was amazing. I'll just turn my camera now and then just show you guys how Cochem looks like. Yeah, so let me turn my camera. Just look at it, man, look at it. How beautiful this looks. This is really amazing, man. Yeah, you just saw a glimpse of Cochem. Now we're gonna walk, and if there's something interesting, then of course I'll let you guys know, and if there's not, then just enjoy the scenery. Catch you later. Ciao, peace. Right in front of me you'll see the Volksbank of Cochem. This is a bank. It's closed because it's the second day of Christmas, Boxing Day. So over here you'll see Koblenz. Koblenz is a big city, and Trier, of course, that's a beautiful city as well. Now we're just gonna look where the hell we need to go. So another Dutch car. Look at the houses, man, over there. Okay, so now we're walking towards the famous bridge. But first, this is the street that goes towards the bridge. Over there you'll see a apotheke, and I'm not sure what you say to apotheke, but pharmacy. Of course you can say a pharmacy. These are the different timings. Unfortunately everything is closed today, but just look at the buildings. And yes, let's move forward. Over there you'll see the bus stops and a taxi stand as well. There aren't any buses at the moment, but 2 minutes ago I saw some buses. And over there you'll see the highlight of Cochem. Let me see if I can zoom in. Yes, do you see that? That used to be a castle. Well, it's still a castle, but unfortunately it's closed right now, and we can't visit it. but at least you'll see a glimpse of it. Behind me you'll see the tourist information. Of course it's closed, so unfortunately we need to use Google as our tour guide. So we're gonna use Google, and thanks to Google we're gonna explore Cochem. Yeah, so let's walk inside the Enderstrasse. I'm not sure what we'll find here, but actually I'm searching for McDonald's. I'm not sure if they've got a McDonald's around here. Let's see if they've got something. It's a bit empty here, so I don't know why it is quiet. Maybe that's the thing in Germany, that on the second day of Christmas everything is closed and you can't really do something here. Yeah, this is a pub. So okay, let me see if we can find a McDonald's around here. You will see Hans and Gretel. In Dutch we say Hans en Grietje. So they've made it quite nice, and there they've done some setup of the Christmas. This is a Christmas market. It is closed, a small one, but yeah, it doesn't matter. Yes, people, welcome back. So as you can see, it's turned dark, and behind me there's a car coming. Yes, you can see the car. Well, unfortunately it's raining, so I'm gonna end this vlog right now, and next stop will be Frankfurt. We're heading to Frankfurt now, but that I'll show you guys in the next vlog. So I hope you did enjoy this video and vlog. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Take care, peace, ciao.